this video, I want to share a little shopping that I did over at my favorite mall in Dallas. It is called North Park Mall. Now, what I've also done, I'm going to include some videos for you all on my little shopping trip that I did. I'm going to take you through the Neiman Marcus, and also we have got an incredible, I do mean an incredible Nordstrom's over there. The beauty bay at this particular mall is unbelievable. I mean, it is so big, so many different brands in there. So I want to show you a little bit of North Park Mall. Now, what I picked up from Nordstrom's while I was there is a perfume, and it is by a company called Compture Sud Pacific, and it is the scent of this is called Cocoa Extreme. Packaging looks like this. The actual bottle is just really pretty. Beautiful glass bottle here. It's very nice. Now the scent of this, it is coconut, sugar, vanilla, just a warm, beachy, fresh. It is just so wonderful. Also, while I was in Nordstrom's, I picked this up. This is Charlotte Tilbury, and this is called Hollywood Beauty Light Wand. It is called an easy highlighter. The box looks like this. The actual product itself comes in a nice little tube right here, and it's got a sponge here on it. There it is on the back of my hand. Let me shear this out because it is so pretty. Very nice. It's a light creamy texture. It just really seems like it's going to blend into the skin really pretty, just give you a very nice pretty highlight. So from Nordstrom's, I made my way down to Neiman Marcus. So I made my way over to the Jane Iredale counter, and I purchased, this is called Paw Mist. It is a hydrating spray. The scent of this is just a very light, fresh, very light, fresh, some type of a fruit scent. I'll list it up here above my head, whatever the scent of this is. But the mist of this, it's really fine. I made my way over to the Clé de Peau beauty counter in Neiman's, and I picked up, this is called the Radiant Corrector for Eyes. Boxes like this. The actual package itself is a beautiful, I love Clé de Peau packaging. It's just beautiful. This has the little brush applicator, and I went ahead and clicked it up. This feels so creamy, so light and creamy. This is going to be wonderful for an aging eye. There it is. Gives some nice coverage, so I am excited, and we will try this in a little get ready with me. I made my way up to Sephora, and what I picked up there, this is the brand new Laura Mercier translucent powder in Glow. So it does have just a little bit of that glow, a little bit of that radiance to it. So I think that this is going to be beautiful on the skin. Also in Sephora, I went ahead and picked up, this is by Dr. Jart, and this is the BB Beauty Balm. It is the multi-action skincare and makeup. It says it is a firming moisture technology, sunscreen, and antioxidants, brightens and conceals. It has an SPF of 45. This box, what the box looks like, it's really nice. I love a really good SPF. And here's what the actual container looks like itself. Really pretty. This is not, it looks like a tube, but it's not like a squeezy tube. This is, you know, definitely a hard plastic. And they pop the top. It's got a pump, which I love. I love a really nice pump applicator. Let me go ahead and, ooh. Okay, that looks really kind of, I don't know, the color of this kind of looks muddy. You know what I'm saying? But okay, okay, that's really weird. What in the world did I get myself into? Do you all see this color? I mean, that looks muddy, doesn't it? Does this change as you smear it out or something? Do y'all see that? It's like a gray color. Look at that on my finger. What in the world? Okay, I don't think this is going to be very pretty. I just don't think that's going to be pretty at all. Wow. Okay, let me look at this. What the heck did I get? Okay, the shade that I got is light medium. Y'all, I do not even know about this. Wow. I should have played around with this when I bought it, before I bought this. Because that just, That doesn't even look right. I mean, that color is, that doesn't even look right. It smells nice. Okay, that might be going back. That might be going back. That's hideous. That's hideous. Whose skin color looks like that? I mean, seriously. It's maybe somebody in a morgue. By Moroccan Oil, I picked up a product here, and this is called it's called Mending Infusion, and it says it's repair, helps seal split ends for weakened and damaged hair. So anyway, box looks like this. The glass jar is just really nice. I think the Moroccan Oil stuff is just really, really nice. Beautiful glass jar. So let's see what this does. Okay, it's just a really nice serum here. So let me try and... Oh, it smells really nice. It's very, very light scented though. So it's just basically a really, really light serum. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything. So I'm excited to try this one. Alright, and I picked up a lipstick from Pat McGrath, and this is called the Lip Fetish Lip Balm. And the shade that I got is called Nude Astral. Nude Astral. Packaging is really pretty. Beautiful little packaging there. Here is the actual tube of lipstick itself. It's got the pretty little gold lips on there. And I thought that this was just so, so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Very, very pretty. All right, so there it is on the back of my hand. That is gorgeous. It just gives just that extra pop to your lipstick. I mean, I think this is beautiful. Super happy I picked that one up. Then I picked up a lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is called Freya. Box looks like this. The actual packaging here, isn't this stunning? Look how beautiful that is. And there it is right there. It's called Freya. That is so, so pretty. I went ahead and picked up another bottle of perfume. This is from Maison Margiela, and it is replica, and this one is called Flower Market. Box looks like this. The actual bottle is just beautiful. It is so, so pretty. This right here just looks like a really nice thick piece of linen, and they've got all of the information there on the front of that. Now on this, you do not get a cap on here, so it's just the little spray right here, but it is just a lovely, lovely scent. I went ahead and pulled up Sephora here, and I'm going to tell you the notes are, it says freesia, let me see here. It says freesia, and this says rose from grass and cedarwood. So those are the notes that are in this perfume. One other little thing that I picked up from Sephora, and this is from Beauty Blender, and this is called the Power Pocket Puff. Packaging looks like this. I've been playing around with this just a little bit, and I'm just not sure. I don't know about this. This is the most unusual thing. Look at the, it is like this, a soft material here, and then you turn it over, and this right here is like it's almost like the Beauty Blender material right here. And you can also, there's like a little place where you can put your finger in there, or your fingers. And on it, it says that you can use this side to put your powder, and then you can use the tip side here. The other side is for a target like contour of the face with the narrow tip. Now the side that is down in here in this area, it is like this, I don't know, it's like a gel consistency in there. It is really, really weird feeling, So anyway, I'm going to play with this just a little bit more and figure it out. And yeah, so I thought that this was really interesting. All right, ladies, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I will go ahead and insert the clips of, going through the mall and Nordstrom's and going through all the beauty base and everything. It is a fabulous mall. And I've also taken you inside Neiman Marcus, or as we Texans like to call it, enormous markups. So I take you into Neiman's, which is a really, really a fun place to go if you've never been to one. It's an experience. It really is. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me. If you don't mind, please give me a thumbs up for this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below. Also, click that little subscribe button and ring on that little bell. YouTube's going to let you know each and every time I upload a brand new video. I appreciate each and every one of you so very, very much. And as always, I wish you all a safe and wonderful day. Bye.
You